done things that can't be undone. I don't regret them, I enjoyed it, so now I'm beyond broken. I loved and lost the love I had, then I met you. You thought about how I deserve to be together again, even without knowing what I had done, what I become. You never looked at me with judgment. You saw me as your world when I don't deserve it. You saw me as everything you wanted, but the only thing I deserved was nothing. I'm the demons and nightmares, I'm the darkness everyone stays away from. I'm the hell on earth, the stray, the outcast of society. I'm broken.